that would be Elizabeth Taylor.
That would be Elizabeth.
This used to be her place. She's the second most beautiful woman in the world. There you go. Beautiful view. Crystal chandeliers. Lots of them. Lots of them. And then the courtyard. Every courtyard has a fountain. And like I said, Elizabeth Taylor used to live here. And across the bridge between the two buildings, Richard Burton lived, but you know, they cohabitated. Night of the Iguana, that's the movie Richard Burton was making when they were consorting with each other, but married to other people. So keep up appearances while he was filming that with John Huston. He bought this place for Elizabeth, and then across the street built a bridge to another casa where he lived, so that it would appear as though they were living separately. Yeah, I'm sure they fooled everybody. Beautiful place. Hey, honey, give me Liz Taylor's house sugar.
Do I need to take it from here?
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Oh, honey, you're filming yourself.
Oh, well.